In this video, you'll uncover 5-2 intermittent fasting. Hi, I'm Dr. Zarowski from NewVisionExcel.com. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, join our notification community, and I'm going to help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about 5-2 intermittent fasting, also known as the 5-2 method, the 5-2 diet. And a lot of people have been asking me, first of all, how you go about doing this, but also what my thoughts are on it. Now, this 5-2 method became really popular back in 2013, well, at least amongst my peers. And it was becoming popular along the same time that the 16 and 8 intermittent fasting was becoming popular. Now the big difference is 16 and 8 intermittent fasting, as you know, has become wildly popular, where the 5-2 method kind of peaked and not too many people do it. However, it is really an awesome method, and I could really see why a lot of people would like it. So let's go ahead and discuss it. Now the 5 here refers to 5 days a week where you're going to eat normal calorie intake. And the 2 refers to 2 days a week, and it can be any 2 days, that you would calories restrict. Now when we look at the calorie restriction, you're just going to consume a quarter of your normal calorie intake. So let's say if you're a male doing this and you're consuming 2,500 calories a day, then you're going to calorie restrict down to 625 calories on these days. And then if you're a female doing this and you're consuming 2,000 calories, then you're going to calorie restrict down to 500 calories per day. Now, as always, when you're doing this diet, you should be following a good high-quality diet. I recommend that you're following a diet that is high in fat, moderate in protein, low in carbohydrates. And if you have any other questions on what you should and shouldn't eat, go ahead and check out my nutrition guide below. Now, the other thing that a lot of people ask me about this diet is which one should I do? You know, this 5-2 method, 16 and 8, and OMAD. Now, I personally do not do this 5-2 method, but I can really see why a lot of people would like it. It's very low barrier to entry, very easy to get into, and it's not hard to follow and stick with, where some people might struggle with 16 and 8 or OMAD. Now, my thoughts on this, and the reason that I don't do it, is because I do think that 16 and 8 is going to offer you some better results. I do think that OMAD is going to offer you some better results, and the reason for it is because you're really fasting for a longer period of time when you do those. So if you're doing this 5-2 method, you're going to eat your last meal on Sunday. You know, let's say Sunday night you eat your last meal, Monday morning you wake up, you eat a small breakfast, and then Monday night you eat a small dinner. Now, you're not really putting yourself in a fasted state for a long period of time, whereas like with 16 and 8 and OMAD, you're putting yourself in that deep fasted state. You're going to drive insulin levels a lot lower. You're going to burn more fat. You're going to see better results. Now, sure, you're going to see great results with boosting growth hormone and, you know, driving insulin low and all the great things that fasting does for you when you do this 5-2 method, but I just think you're going to get much better results with 16 and 8. So, you know, here's the thing. When you look at all these different fasting methods out there, there's not a right or wrong way. What really matters is you're doing the right one for you. If 5-2 intermittent fasting is really appealing for you, it's really sustainable for you, then by all means do it. It's a really great method. It's just not for everybody. Just like 16 and 8 isn't for everybody, just like OMAD isn't for everybody. But this is all I really have to share with you on this 5-2 method. If you have any questions, post them in the comments section below. Be sure to share this with your friends. A lot of people are asking about this. Give this video a thumbs up for me. I'd greatly appreciate that. And then also, I have tons of great videos over here to help you improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.